Those who are experiencing low libido or no libido, or if your feelings have gone cry, get the cat eye leaves. This is the cat eye leaves. Get some quantity, get about 2 or 3 ginger, crush it, add it to these leaves, add 3 spoons of cloves on this, and boil for 30 to 40 minutes. Drink half glass morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay, you do this for 2 weeks, and make sure you eat 2 dates 2 dates every day for that 2 weeks.